أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So what is structural equation modeling? Structural equation modeling, or SEM, is a statistical method that examines the relationship among numerous variables in a simultaneous way. So you can have multiple variables in a model. You can have multiple independent variables, multiple mediating variables, multiple moderators, multiple dependent variables, all of them analyzed together. Now this is an added functionality which we do not have in first generation softwares like SPSS. Now, a SEM is not a single procedure, but it's rather a family of related statistical techniques. Now, is SEM causal modeling? You will often hear SEM referred to as causal modeling approach. Well, SEM does not determine causation between two variables. There is a contradiction that is used quite often with SCM. Now, as stated earlier, SEM uses covariance matrix as its input. So you are essentially looking at relationship between variables to determine how one influences the other, but this will not determine causation. Just because two things are highly correlated does not mean that one causes another. SEM is a great technique to determine how variables influence one another based on the covariance matrix. But in order to determine causation, you will really need to do experimental design so that you can change the cause and see the changes in your outcome variable or your criterion variable. While majority of SEM approach has been performed with non-experimental data, SEM is more than capable of analyzing experimental data. So if you've got experimental data, you can use structural equation modeling.